And that's my puppy barking. Welcome back to my channel. As you could tell by the title of today's video, I have another designer purse unboxing for you guys. These are my favorite types of videos to film because it means that I got a new purse, and what's better than a new purse? So if you'd like to see what I picked up, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really means the world to me. So make sure you're hitting that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell, so every time I upload a new video, you get a little notification. You can stop on by, see it, like it. So did you ever buy something and then like totally forget you bought it? You like don't even remember buying it? So that's kind of the situation with today's purse unboxing. So I bought this purse back in February of this year, and I bought it in hopes of wearing it as a summer bag. Back in February, we had no idea that 2020 would end up being the year it is. So I purchased this bag thinking I was going to use it for the summer, and we didn't really have the type of summer I thought we were gonna have. So I guess it just got pushed to the back of my closet and I kind of forgot about it. So I came across it the other day and I thought it would be cool to unbox it because I know so many people love my designer handbag unboxings and I love filming them. So I thought it would be a really cool idea. So I actually bought this purse back in February of this year. It's still wrapped, as you can see, from Neiman Marcus. February 19th of this year, and I completely forgot about it, probably because of COVID, and I found it the other day cleaning out my closets. So I thought now would be a perfect time to do an unboxing and let you guys see what I got. So I bought this bag back in February, like I said. I thought it was going to be like the perfect summer bag because here I was in February thinking we were going to have a summer and life was going to go back to normal. And yeah, so we didn't have any of that, clearly. There's no name on the side of the box. I am going to check the receipt. I think it's something like the camera bag. So you open it up. I actually haven't seen this bag since February, so I really don't even remember. I mean, I know what it looks like. I remember exactly what it looks like. But so this is the dust bag that it comes in. And this is the bag. So this is the denim. Let's see what's inside of here. Authenticity card. Oh, I don't remember this little tassel on it. So it has the bronze hardware, which is really different. It's not the gold or the silver, it's bronze. It has this cute little tassel detail on it that says Saint Laurent going around it. The back of it has like a little flap, so you could put your phone in. This is actually the perfect size for my iPhone. I have the bigger of the two. I always forget what it's called, but that's the most important thing when I'm picking out purses is, will my phone fit? So it definitely will fit in here. The inside has some slots. It's a little hard to see. Has some slots for credit cards. The inside is that soft YSL leather. If you've ever felt the YSL quilt bag, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. It is some of the softest leather ever. And it is a crossbody bag or shoulder bag. So it has a strap. So it has a bronze chain strap with the navy blue leather shoulder strap. So super cute. I would definitely wear it as a crossbody. I think it's so cute. I can't wait for next summer to be able to wear it. Now that I'm looking at it though, the only thing I don't think I realized when I was buying it is that you can't take off the you can't take the chain off. So it's always gonna have that chain on it. I thought I could, like, you know, take it off, carry like this. You could always tuck the chain, but if you were wondering about my shirt today, it says wrappers with puppies, and then on the back it's a ton of wrappers with puppies. And that's my puppy barking. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.